Hello everyone. Today's unboxing video might be on my Diesel 10 I got. I hope this is Diesel 10 because I've been looking for these for a very long time. And my lucky day might come. And it's raining outside. I don't know how much long the weather will be like this. It's becoming a pain in the rear. But yippee! Alright, let's get him out of this little bag. And let me turn on my lights. We're witnessing the biggest Thomas villain ever in the history of Thomas and Friends. This is Diesel 10. It's Diesel 10, my gosh! His scary claw! I don't know what buttons are used to make him talk. That's the back side. Oh, he only has bogies on the front side. Well, that's Diesel 10.